Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Hello dear friends. So today we are going to install CorelDraw 11. So how to install CorelDraw 11? I already download the zip file of CorelDraw 11. You can download it from internet and you can install it from CD, direct from CD. So we have to extract the file here on desktop. So what you have to do, you have to right click on the zip file and click extract here. Extract here, click OK. So it will extract on desktop. Then you have to click on this folder twice, double click on this folder. You will see the exe file and the serial number or the key of CorelDraw 11. So what you have to do, you have to just copy the serial number and then you have to paste the serial number on the setup process in the setup wizard. So it will complete very soon, very quickly. The installation of CorelDraw is not that difficult. It's so easy to understand. Double click on this folder, then double click on CorelDraw 11. You have to copy the serial number or key, double click and select the entire key and right click and click copy. After copy, close these things, and if you want to reopen the CorelDraw folder and then double click on CorelDraw and click on setup exe file. Now what you have to do, you have to wait for a while. It will not take that much time, but maybe 4 or 5 minutes. No, not that much, maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So you have to wait for a while. Click next, accept. Let's suppose I have to type my company name, IVA Iqbal Virtual Academy. Paste the serial number which you already copy, Control plus V and click next. There is a lot of 3 options, custom and typical. Typical is okay, so click next, do nothing here, just click next, click yes and click next, install, and there we go. It's so easy. It will take it will take some time here, not a lot of time but some time, so be patient. So CorelDraw 11 is almost installed, 100%. Just wait. Okay, I don't want to register it right now. I never register. Okay, click on OK, click OK, and do no, I don't want to restart my computer right now. I will restart my computer later, and select that one and click on finish. You have to restart your computer, but I don't want to restart my computer right now. I will restart my computer later. Click finish. So the process is completed, the installation is completed now. So now we have to search for CorelDraw. Click on start button, okay, and then type COREL. So it will search CorelDraw for you. COREL. Corel, there